What's good? We clapping it up. I'm really excited. I'm back. You know, I had a little slight delay, but you feel me? We back. You know, I came back to y'all. I had to come back to the people. I've been getting a lot of encouragement. Keep going. New subscribers. Speaking of subscribers, we are now at not 40, not 50, but we at 60. We at 60 subscribers. So I'm gonna clap it up for y'all. I only say that's big because, you know, I was so against doing the whole YouTube thing because I didn't like the YouTube thing. What's on YouTube? It's your boy. Like none of that. Like, nah. Everybody got the same intro. Everybody got the same. I just want to give it to y'all a little different. Give it to y'all like me. I ain't copying nobody else's flow. You feel me? I mean, you gotta do a little copying, but I'm not gonna be, yo, what's on YouTube? Nah. But like I said, 60 subscribers. Hop on the train because it's going. Chico Restoration's business. Train is getting full. I'm gonna shoot to this 100. Then after you get to 100, you're gonna shoot for higher and higher and higher. You're gonna keep going. But today, I got some top 3's. I love these shoes. I ain't got none, but I got some top 3's. Got my work cut out for me today. I always say that's the famous line because I always got my work cut out for me. So y'all see it. So we finna get into it. Finna get it bustin', get it cracking, whatever y'all wanna say. First step, decisions. Which shoe I'ma clean? Decisions. I've been showing a lot of love to the right shoe. I've been showing a lot of love to the left shoe. So I'm trying to think. Made a decision. Because my last video, I did the left shoe. So I'm gonna do the right shoe. So y'all already know what's going on. I'm gonna take these shoestrings out. After I take these shoestrings out, I'm gonna already have the shoe tree in. Next, I'm gonna just have to add some solution to the water. And then, you already know, we're gonna start with that soft brush, hit that medium, then we're gonna hit the hard brush. Ta-da! Hey, don't talk about my hair, bro. I know like a little caveman. I ain't cut my hair in a minute. I don't feel like cutting my hair. You feel me? I'm working. Let me see what this size is. Size 10 and a half. They don't feel like a 10 and a half. I think they don't feel like a 10 and a half because I just had somebody with the same exact shoe. Matter of fact, it's right here. Let me grab it real quick. Okay, that's good. Let me grab it. Look. You can't even see the other shoe. This shoe's so goddamn big. This is goddamn 12. The 12 that much bigger than the 10 and a half. Shit, but yeah. I'm cleaning those off camera. I was gonna deal with the smaller one. Bigfoot niggas gotta put a little more oomph in that motherfucker. Feel me? So yeah, got my EBK kicks. I ran out of a rejuvenator, so I'm gonna try one squirt with that EBK. Then I'm gonna try to see if I do need two squirts. Then we gonna do 2 squirts. But small brush. Gonna get the. Let me show y'all this. Y'all probably think this shoe ain't even dirty, but look, I'm trying to tell y'all. That's the 12 Pro Max camera. Make everything look good. Like baby, if you a little 6, a little 5. You're gonna be a little 8.5 with the 12 Pro Max. So get y'all a little 12 Pro Max. Apple, y'all gotta give me some money for that. Putting y'all in the video. So yeah, you feel me? pretty much a lot of that stuff that was on the uppers, a little bit of the midsection came off. But now I'm gonna use the medium brush so I can at least start lifting up some of this dirt that's on the sole and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to hit that and get busy with it real quick. I'm feeling good. It's that 60 subscribers, and we got 60 subscribers. That's probably why they be talking so loud on YouTube. I feel like the most subscribers you get, they just get more amped up in these videos. So let's imagine when I get like 1,000, I'll probably be in this one. I ain't gonna be like that. I ain't gonna be OD. They be OD. Like, you can have your volume on 3. That thing gonna be jumping. But nah, no disrespect to them. You know, I watch a lot of people. I don't watch nobody. I ain't gonna lie. I don't watch nobody. I do watch this girl that go to my school though. Well, the school I went to, she still there. You know, good at moral support. And sometimes we be watching these people, you do kind of like this. That's mess with how they be talking. Like if they shit whatever you want to talk about. Man, what am I talking about? Bro, shut up. Bro, shut up. I just be talking. I be trying to talk, cause you feel me? I don't know. I don't want y'all that sitting there bored be like, are you scrubbing again? I'm trying to give it to y'all different, you feel me? If I wanted to scrub, I'll just do a voiceover. I want to talk to y'all. And I want y'all to talk to me. Y'all better start commenting. I'm gonna reach through that phone and do something to you. I'm gonna have to beat you or something. I don't want to beat nobody. Yeah. All done with the medium brush. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get to the hard brush so I can get some of these scuff marks, or these deep little scuff marks off the sole, and then I'm gonna do the bottom and everything too. So I got some little rocks and I don't got my blade with me. I might just pick the rocks out with my finger. I do got my blade with me. So yeah, I'm gonna try to pick one of these. It's only one rock here. Y'all heard that? Let me know if you heard that. Yeah, little pebble just flew up out of there. We got one more. Alright. Thank you. Alright, yeah, like I said, hard brush time. Y'all know what that means. Feel me? Goodbye to the chest. We're gonna get real. So I gotta get that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and scrub it dub to this bottom. Dump these shoestrings in here, put them in a hand laundry machine. You feel me? I really want some of these. If y'all can find a 9.5 at top 3's, that's not daily, like a daily price. I feel like you can't sell no shoes that you put on your feet higher than what you bought them from. I know the shoe game crazy, but that doesn't mean personally. Don't be out here trying to sell me no shoes. They be talking about I wore them twice. Like, you ain't wear them twice, bro. You wore them shoes 10, 12, 15 times. Now you trying to sell them for $350 and all that, bro. I'm not buying them. Them things you'll be selling them forever, dealing with somebody like me the way I think. I don't care how much money I got, bro. I just feel like no shoes. You know, people used to say back in the day, you can go to China and get yours for $3. Ooh. Now that I know all this material, it's just the brand. You know how y'all know how it be. That's the name of the brand. You probably find the same shoe like this. It's like, oh, them fake. But nowadays, you don't know what's real, you don't know what's fake. It's so much. Like, just like how the world progress, you got technology, you got all kind of stuff. You finna have floating cars in a minute. Y'all see what Tesla on. But it's getting better, it's getting crazy out here. Some stuff out here be fake. You wouldn't even know, like you don't even know it's real. So, man, it's crazy out here, but yeah, I'm finna go rinse these off. Yeah, I'll be back. Hey, shoes are nice and dry, laced up. Now it's time for the moment you all been waiting for. Before and after. Ooh, my fault. Damn. It's the before and after. Feel me? Feel me? Shout out to my New York nigga. Yeah, it's the before and after. Get the bottom. That's why I clean the bottoms. Simply for this. Like, you know, you got all that dirt and everything up under there. When you clean the bottom, you get it back looking like you just took them out the box. So that's the little thing, like small stuff like that will take your business higher up, whatever you're gonna call it. Just doing a little thing outside the box where people wouldn't even think that you was gonna do. Like, you clean the bottom of the shoe, bro? Like, yeah, let's clean the whole shoe. This is my side by side, this is my proof. And yeah, have fun cleaning these shoes. Once again, this is one of my favorite Jordans. Like, if I could get some top 3's, I would get them, but when you don't get them at the store, you might as well hang it up. They're gonna be like $500 boss. But thanks again for the 60 subscribers. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Well, don't make sure, but if you wanna like, you wanna comment this video, you wanna comment something on, give me some encouraging words, give me some advice and tips, anything you wanna know, give me some more cleaning solution ideas. Feel me? Share. If you wanna share, if you like some good content you wanna put out in the air for the people, you can put it out there. Follow me at Chico_restoration. I'm gonna put it in the description. If y'all wanna find where I got this cool thumbnail from, you can hit up my boy Griffin Visuals on Instagram. We do all my thumbnails and everything like that. And yeah, thanks for coming out.